Okay, after the rather lengthy development times of some of the things I've been doing, I decided to go back to my teenage years and actually try to write something just in a day sort of thing. So what I decided to try and have a go at was a mastermind type game, and I'm just going to demonstrate this now on my Chromebook. Unfortunately, this is the Raspberry Pi version, and this is as big as it'll go on the Chromebook without incredibly slowing down. So if I show you the code, there's about a K of code in here. I could probably get rid of those three remarks at the top, so I could probably save quite a bit more as well. Yeah, so this section here is basically just setting up the screen. You'll see that there's a for next loop that produces a grid on the left hand side, and then there's another for next loop that gets rid of a band across the middle. It was the simplest way of doing it. There's a bit of code that randomizes the answer that you need to aim towards, and after that it's just handling the key presses and the logic for giving the responses. And of course there's lots of pokes and things and peaks, because that's the way the Aquarius handles graphics. So show it runners. This is a day's, well, not even a day, I mean probably about 4 hours of effort spread throughout a rather dank Saturday. Well, I had a go at playing the game and I made a complete hash of it, so I'm going to have a better go. Right, so it's randomizing the code at the top there. So if I press Shift G, that'll lock a code in. I point out that it did actually hide the code and then have one more generation of the code, so that it didn't flick up on the screen. So if I now put a guess in, so I'm going to guess 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see that the answers are going in on the bottom line. It'll then produce a result, and then it moves everything up by 1. So, okay, so if I now go for 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, okay, so I've got 2 numbers out of this group, 1 number out of this group, and one of these numbers is repeated. 2, 4, 6, 4. There we go. Sorry about the delay there. Alright, and there's it reveals the code, and that is actually a reveal. It doesn't put the numbers in there, it actually just changes the colour so that they magically appear. So there you go, there's a few hours work of work in producing something for the Aquarius, and that's the kind of thing that we did back in the early 80s. All good fun.